structure of the new Preston Memorial Hospital. Right now we are in the completion phase of the steel. Our final beam of steel has been placed, and the guys are working on the walls and the guts and the infrastructure of the new hospital. The plan for the hospital is to be completed by the end of 2014, early 2015, somewhere between January, February, and the estimated move-in time for our new hospital staff and employees and patients would be around April of 2015. Right now we're in the middle of a 5-year capital campaign, a $3 million capital campaign that launched last April, and we have raised to date $1.63 million. We have a long way to go, and we're working with our community to raise more funds to finally get to our goal of $3 million. We know that we have now partnered with Mon Health System, and that partnership has opened up a lot of opportunities for our community so that we can offer new services and a wider variety of services to our patients and community partners here in Preston County. And we're really excited about the new hospital and for the opening of that hospital.